Hey y'all, it's Ashley. If you want to see how I incorporate ChatGPT into my self-care and planning, then stay tuned. All right, y'all, so let's get started. I have my Archer and Olive Square notebook here that I've been doing my BuJo spreads in. You might have seen them in previous videos. I also have these floral resilient stickers here from my shop. These are based on the BuJo theme that I was drawing for the month of January. And I'm going to use these to create a self-care spread. If you noticed, I also have my computer here because we're going to be incorporating ChatGPT to get our ideas for what we want to incorporate in our self-care spread. So I'm going to go ahead and get started and get to decorating before I open up the computer and show you all how I would search and use my results from ChatGPT. So I'm just going in here and kind of mapping out visually where I want to put my letters. And I'm just going to letter the word self-care ideas here in these colors that I used with these Tombow markers from the actual theme in the previous spreads. And you kind of saw a preview of that when I turned the page. If you want to see the full video of me setting up these roses and like that whole weekly monthly spread for January, then I'll make sure that video is linked in the cards. But I'm just gonna go ahead and finish lettering this and add a little bit of embellishment with some shadows around the word self-care, and then I'll get into laying some stickers down. I do want to note that this is sped up just a little bit, so you didn't have to sit there and kind of just watch me letter and put stickers down in real time. But I wanted to note that, I always note that because I don't want you to feel like you're lettering slow if you're lettering and making this spread along with me. This is a perfect time to tell you that if you like these types of videos, then you should actually press the like button on the video and subscribe to my channel. That helps me out so much. And if you love these stickers and you love this theme, then there's so much more of this theme available on my Patreon, including the digital version of these stickers, which you can kind of print out and make as large or as small as you would like on the Sophisticator level. We also have self-care lettering that we're going to do, kind of like cozy lettering that we're going to do too. So be sure to check out Patreon as well, and I will have that linked below too. So I know you see me looking around, kind of moving those stickers around, trying to find exactly where I want to put them. And what I'm thinking here in my mind is I know I want to put some of those quotes down too on that little hand lettered quote page that you see there to the left. So I'm kind of keeping that in mind as I am kind of placing these stickers and making sure that I'm filling in the space in a kind of even way with deco stickers and boxes, and then leaving a little bit of space for a few quotes. Just in case you're wondering, I do draw and hand letter all of my stickers, so when you purchase from me and when you watch these videos, then you are supporting an artist, and I appreciate you so much. Okay, so now that we have this decorated, and I did kind of want to use a few more of these quote stickers, but I'm going to write on the spread first and then see if there's space I can fill in. If not, that's okay. But now we're going to go ahead and open up the computer. So let me bring that over, and we're going to pull up ChatGPT. All right, y'all, so I'm just going to type in chatgpt.com in the address bar at the top. And then it'll open up this window, and you see I'm going to prompt it to give me some ideas for self-care in January. So it's giving me a list now. of a few ideas for self-care, and there's kind of like a cozy theme to the ideas that it's giving me because I told it January. And I'm just gonna scroll through here. You see I have some good ideas. I'm not gonna use all of these, and I suggest that you kind of pick and choose which ones work best for you. But I'm going to provide these as a download on my Patreon. So that's something that all of my tiers will get this month. But if you want to, I'm just scrolling through slowly here so that you can kind of see what it's giving me when I put in that prompt. If you put in a similar prompt, it'll give you some things, maybe some different things, maybe some things that are the exact same. But this is how I would do something like this if I didn't have any ideas and I just wanted to use ChatGPT to help prompt me in the right direction. Okay, so now that we have the decorations done and we've pulled these up on ChatGPT, I'm going to go through and write down a few of these options that I like. So I am using this Pentel Energel Gray Gel Pen. I've been using this pen in my weekly spreads, and I'm just going to use the same pen. I really like this color gray in this spread. And I'm just going to write in different kind of, I guess, type scripts to give this spread a little bit of flair. And so you'll just notice me go through here and use different kinds of handwritten fonts to add a little more pizzazz to this self-care spread. And also, I just wanted to note that I'm using the ideas from the sheet that we generated in ChatGPT to help me figure out what I want to do for self-care. So just because it's on the list doesn't mean I'm writing it down. It was just a way to grab ideas that I'm actually interested in. And so I suggest that you do the same thing. It's great for getting ideas for different things, but just the same way you wouldn't want to plagiarize AI for art or writing, then you don't want to plagiarize it for your self-care either. Don't make yourself do something just because the prompt came up with it. If you're not interested in it, bypass it and go to the next thing. Okay, so now that I have these written down, I'm going to go back because this quote sheet has quite a few little reminders on it as well, and I'm going to see which one of these may fit. So let's see. I'm thinking if I move this though, and I don't know if I can even pull it up. Slow. Okay, there we go. Okay. If I move this, then now I can fit maybe Bloom with Self-Love. I really like I'm Doing My Best, but I don't feel like I have enough of this color down. So Bloom, oh, that's pretty, I think. With Self-Love. And let's see, I feel like I can fit Rooted in Strength down here, but I don't know. I feel like that's too close to this lettering. It's just looking a little, I don't know, tacky to me. So maybe if I put it like, no, I can't fit it. All right, guys, so here's what everything looks like. This is our entire self-care spread. I'll have everything linked below. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. That helps me out so much, more than I think a lot of you know. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.